Cast it for 5 on the flying Tangleangler. This would be sweet. Okay, Mr. Invisimancer. That's okay. So one creature is unblockable, which should be... well, which one? Choose one. Okay. That's okay. That's fine. I don't care about losing life. Because this combination just rocks the hell. Come on, swing in for 6. No, just for 3. Yeah, okay, do that. Yeah, I can't block you unluckily, but that's okay. Yeah, working. So Coppermere is Mr. Metalcraft today, which is sweet. And here comes his last card in the hand, which is Perilous Mirror. Okay, well, this is alright, I don't care. Well, this seems pretty sweet. Another Untamed Might. Wow, okay. So, Gas Sunspear Shikari will swing in again, and if it's not blocked, it will be powered up just a little bit. Yeah, should work. So right now the Screeching Silklaw is, by the way, milling. But that won't pass the Sunchaser. Okay, you're gonna block me or not? I'm gonna pump it for 5. So we swing in for 11. This should be awkward. Wow. Having more than 30 life. Didn't suppose this to be possible here in Magic. Yeah, okay. That's good, that's okay. That's also okay. Yeah, man. So... guess we will do that. And cast Untamed Might. With that. With 2, so we have 8. We need 8. This is good. This is okay. And they should actually both die. Yeah. And I survive it. And I'm able to cast my Kemba Skyguard. Which is pretty sweet. So I'm at 35 life. Wow. And he has nothing flying, which is even more sweeter. So you can swing in with Skyguard, with Sunchaser, and with Sunspear Shikari. So this has 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 10, with 5 additional. So, oh, this works. 11, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And casted Untamed Might for 5, so we can do 16 damage to him next turn. Which should, well, eradicate him from this world. Not just beat him, just kick his ass to, well, Land of Nowhere. No, he can't do that. Man, this sucks. This really sucks. And Seize Initiative doesn't help. That was a hell of a draw for him. Hell of a draw. So this kills my Sunspear Shikari. Hell of a draw, really. This sucks. But, well, it can't do anything about it. Hell of a top deck. But well, Battle Gear will be equipped to the Sunchaser, so it takes 1 turn more until he's dead. Which is pretty okay for me. Because I don't think he has 2 of those clasps, and even another clasp won't save him from dying the turn after the next one. So, which one swings in? Darksteel Sentinel against Tangleangler. This is so sweet. The Tangleangler. The living wall. The infect wall. I am so happy that I took this card into my deck. Yeah, Perilous Mirror, you may do me 1 damage. Oh my god. 1 damage. Whoo. I'm real freaking out. Come on. I want to finish this game today, not tomorrow. Thank you. Down to 34. Never thought that I'd say this sentence. My life is down to 34. Okay. Slice in twain. Well, the battle gear will be equipped to the Sun Chaser. Okay, he can react on the slice in twain, which is okay. Yeah, I guess Untamed Might doesn't help me that much. So we just swing in for 9 damage. This is okay. 10, 11, 12. I can swing in for more than 12 damage, but that's alright. The question is if I should use the slice in twain to destroy his Aquatis shields, but actually can't see sense in that. And I'm not so unhappy if he doesn't know we have 0.1 a second Untamed Might, 0.2 a slice in twain. So I will just keep that back. Because I think this should be really enough. He proliferates, okay, with a grind clock, which is okay. So the grind clock goes to 5 counters. Oh. So actually now I'm not on a 8 or 10 or on a 15 turn clock. I'm now on a 10 turn clock. Disgusting. Wow. Okay, man. Last card for you to play. No matter what you do. First game already taking more than 20 minutes. I'm not seeing where this will be going. Ah. Yeah, and he surrenders. Let's see what would have been next. Pretty sweet, pretty nothing. I was stuck to 5 lands, which is pretty awesome. That this worked that good with such a few lands. Okay, gas for this Livesmith didn't do that much, no. But I guess this was mainly because we didn't draw that many artifacts to trigger him. Should be okay to keep him in play. The question is if I want to have a second seize the initiative. Just get Livesmith out and seize the initiative inside the deck? Not now. Guess we just move on to the second game.